Hi friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we have finally made it to the enchanting gem, the Coeur D'Alene Resort. The Coeur D'Alene Resort is located on Coeur D'Alene Lake on 6 waterfront acres in the panhandle of Idaho, wedged between Washington, Montana, and Canada. The Coeur D'Alene Resort is home to one of America's top golf courses, with the world's only floating island green. Now, if you've been following us a while, you know we don't golf. We resort. We resort hard. And the Coeur d'Alene is already looking like a place to have memorable and magical experiences.
Who is it?
It's Mom. You want to show us around?
Yes,
Mom,
the most amazing.
Come here. This is a full thing what you can smell.
Oh.
It's an air conditioner.
The air conditioner smells good? It does. I don't know. It smells really good in here.
And look at we have
Wow.
a playroom. We can see a boat. That's still be nice.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. We kind of got here on a rainy day, but tomorrow, man, it's going to be so nice.
And these are
Oh, look at shutter doors.
I know that's
That's a good. Wow. Great. And I'm guessing this is your bed, your pull out, and mine and Daddy's.
and this is we got the smaller room.
Yep, we got the
But this is still ginormous.
Yep, standard room. Good shower. After relaxing in our beautiful room a bit, we hit the boardwalk. This resort has the world's longest floating boardwalk. This is the place to go for the most stunning lake scenery and romantic sunsets. But let's be honest, romantic sunsets are not high on the priority list when traveling with kids. They got one question: how's the pool? Now, they do have a spacious indoor pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, and hot tub that were excellent. But the real showstopper here is the outdoor pool. To reach their luxury pool, guests have to take a fun 7-minute shuttle boat ride to Coeur d'Alene's spectacular lakefront infinity pool, bar, and private beach. Now, there's so much more to do here other than just lay by the pool. They got everything. Sunset dinner cruises, ATV adventures, world-class spa, rafting, shopping. Super popular among guests and locals is to hike Tubbs Hill, located right next to the resort. It's 165 acres of breathtaking trails and beaches. We stopped by the concierge desk and booked one of our favorite excursions. We got a fishing charter. You gonna catch a monster?
I don't know.
You don't know. Are you gonna catch a monster?
Totally.
Yeah?
Eat your paw.
You think so?
Yes.
I don't know. I think Mommy's in the lead for catching monsters.
Yeah, remember that Alaska fish that you caught?
I do.
But I'm gonna beat that.
No, but Mom,
Huh.
you didn't beat me by a lot.
Oh, I think I destroyed you.
Yeah.
I think it was an embarrassment, actually.
But mine was actually pretty.
Oh, okay. Yeah. It truly was a beautiful day on the water with osprey and bald eagle sightings. Now, don't let the fish montage here fool you of my kids reeling in bass and pike. I hooked those guys and let the kids reel them in because I'm not completely horrible. But yeah, my family is never going to live this down. If you followed us in Alaska when we went halibut fishing, you would know that I caught the largest by about 12 pounds.
I saw about that.
I'm positive about that. And here in Idaho, apparently I am the only member of this team who wants to bring this channel superior sport fishing content. I mean, the other members of this family are not concerned with that because I am the only one who've caught anything so far. So we head back to the resort to do an activity we are all good at, eating. There are so many exciting restaurant options at Coeur D'Alene, from cafes to 5-star dining at Beverley's. We love the Cedars. This is the resort's floating restaurant, and we love it for the food and its lake views. We also really like Dockside for its desserts. What is that?
Chocolate obsession.
I don't know what this is,
Yeah?
but it looks good.
It does look good. Now, if you still need a reason to love this resort, then let it be the adorable town of Coeur D'Alene. And the best way to explore it with kids is to read Mudgy and Millie. This is the story of a moose and mouse that play a game of hide and seek along the lake shoreline. Then you find a map and go searching the town for its 5 life-size bronze statues of our animal friends.
We need to go straight and make a right.
Straight and make a right.
And there's a hill.
All right.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.